Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to use Numpad on this device's touchpad. So first of all, you have to install all the drivers, or at least one specific driver, which is the ASUS Touchpad Precision Driver, if I'm not mistaken. And to do that, simply open the settings, then go to Windows Update, check if your device has any updates right here, and if it doesn't have any, go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and your update that is required for your touchpad should be located right here. I suggest that you just update all the drivers on your PC. If you don't know how to do this, we have a separate video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step on this laptop. And once you update all the drivers for your PC, you'll be able to enable the touchpad, the Numpad, by clicking this on/off button right here, and it should once you click on it, it should light up. That indicates that the Numpad is now turned on. Now let me clean this text document and make it more visible for you. Okay, and right now you can use your touchpad as a Numpad, so you can simply tap on the buttons you see right here, on the sensitive buttons. You can use all of them, and I'm sorry that you didn't see the monitor in the process, but that's not something I ended up with. So yeah, basically enter works as enter, the numeric buttons works as numbers, and all the buttons on the right work as the signs that they are indicating. And you also have a backspace on the right, the percent sign, the equal sign. And to turn it off, basically all you have to do is just click tap right here again, and once the light goes off, you can again use your touchpad as a regular touchpad. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.